Turanga FM Parakuihi Show Online with Matai and Rahia. Tomo mai, he wera te kai.
Iwa te matai I whitu ki te iarere, iwa te matai I whitu ki te ipurangi, Turanga FM Parakuihi Show on air and online. Mōre nei hekama, nau mai anō ki te hōtaka o Parakuihi ko te rātua whitu tēnei o whiringa ānuku, and the Te Rāwhiti Arts Festival is almost upon us.
Since the inaugural event in October 2019, the festival plays a crucial role as a platform for connection and creativity.
E mea ana koe Rahia. Check out the Te Rāwhiti Arts Festival webpage, look at this. For more information on all the events kicking off tomorrow and running until the 17th of this month.
Right on.
And it's gone.
There will be a lot of people travelling into town for the Te Rāwhiti Arts Festival to feast on the arts as nourishment for the mind and the soul.
But if you want nourishment for the mind, soul and body, stay tuned because Missy over here checked out one of the best kai places, Hurinoa I te Te Rāwhiti.
Puku Ora has grown from a quiet opening 4 years ago with one person to a fully fledged operation.
Puku mahi katoa rātou. Puku mahi, Puku Ora. And soon we'll show you Rahia's adventure to Puku Ora. And yes, she does try out some of their yummy kai. Well, it'd be rude not to.
Yeah, it was very hard.
But speaking of kai, first here's Rahia with a little entree. Kai timo anei ngā tai pito pito kōrero o te Te Rāwhiti.
Tai oro. Ngā tai pito pito o te Te Rāwhiti.
Mōrena e hika mā whitu mano heketea o te whenua ka whakahoki atu ki ngā ringa o te Māori. Whai muri mai te whakaputanga o te krauna I he ai a rātou mahi. Kua toru te kautau tēnei whakaputanga e whakatāre wana, whai muri I te tono tuatahi, nā waira ka whakahokia te whenua nei ki ngā iwi o te aitanga māhaki, ngā uri o Tamanui me te whānau a kai. A whai muri mai ngā tau e whitu, ko whakatau ngā kai whakahaere o Hulkfit, ko te wāhanga whakangungu e kai namu noai nei, tā rātou wāhanga whakamutunga anō hoki. Ko kara rau ko Margaret Hull ngā kai whakahaere, kua whitu tau rāwei āwhina nei ngā tāngata o Turanga nei ki te whakaheke wera, engari nā te nui rawa o arawa mahi kua ki atu, kua kehi te kaupapa nei mō tēnei wā. A kāti, koiranga kai timua Parakuihi, ko Rahia tumutumu ahau, Atamari.
Parakuihi tahi kia mātai raua ko Rahia. 91.7 on air and online.
Tēnā koe Rahia, mai I te kai timo ki te kai Keto. Eating healthy is important to living a well-balanced lifestyle.
And if you want delicious kai that's healthy and nutritious, you just can't go past Puku Ora.
E mea ana koe Rahia. Now speaking of Rahia, Missy over here, she went by herself last week. Never got an invite. Nah, jokes, I was busy. But I'll definitely be with you next time.
My Puku's just grumbling, thinking about going another time to Puku Ora. Thanks to our friends Amy and Edina.
I bet you they looked after you, eh?
Oh, they did, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Don't tell me what you had. Let's check it out, eh? Yeah.
Anyway, enjoy this, because I surely did. Hit it, Hataraka. Kei konei ahau kei 398 Childers Road, ki konei ki te wāhi ātāhua nei, e kia nei ko Puku Ora. Koi nei tētahi o ngā tino wāhi kia māua ko mātai, mō ngā kai pai mō te tinana. So we're here at Puku Ora, they're all about gut health. I mean, they're living by the name Puku Ora, so let's go and try some of their food. I ngā kōrero pai mō te wāhi nei mō Puku Ora. As of today, they have a 4.7 out of 5 according to Google reviews, based off 57 reviews, and a 4.9 out of 5 from Restaurant Guru based on 50 reviews. Kei whea mai. Kei konei ahau ki te kōrero ki ngā rangatira o te wāhi nei o Puku Ora. I have Amy and Irana. Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Kia ora. So yeah, Amy, just tell us, why was Puku Ora first started?
Well, Puku Ora, it was originally known as the East Coast Juice Bar, where my sister started that out. We came on board together 2 years ago. We had a big vision of inspiring positive change throughout the community, within our team and within ourselves. Eating well, inspiring people through the food that we create, and that's what Puku Ora is all about.
So it's not just about the food, it's also about educating and learning about the food and why it's the way it is.
Mō ira tāngata kaore te tino mōhio ki tēnei wāhi nei. So for those who have not yet come here, what kind of food can you expect?
So yeah, here at Puku Ora we're all about clean, fresh, raw, type foods, specialise mainly in vegan, keto, paleo. We're all about gut health.
E te wakatai mai maua ko Matai ki konei. When Matai and I come here, we usually get the bunless burgers. What's the most popular item?
Interestingly enough, it's the salads. Like, people want the option of building a salad the way they like it.
So I'm about to order my salad, but as you can see, they have every kind of ingredient you would want in a salad. So not only do they have vegetarian options, they also have vegan options. I can see tofu there, but they've also got bacon if you like the Caesar salad. They've got fresh chicken, fresh boiled eggs. I don't mind what you put in it. You just go ahead. No. Okay guys, nō reira kei konei taku kai me taku inu. So this is a Fidra kombucha made here at Puku Ora. Hei whakamohio atu kia koutou. I've got the beet kraut, which is made here. I've got the hummus, tomatoes, corn, celery, a bit of spinach and lettuce, chicken and cucumber, and then they make their own dressings as well. And oh my gosh, I'm so salivating. Oh my god, that's so good. This tastes like the Heinz aioli, which is full of preservatives. This is made here, and it's vegan. Fidra kombucha. Oh, that's so good. I feel like I'm doing good aioli kaiana. Speaking of kai, I'm gonna eat more. And yeah, you guys can go now.
Oh, kua hia inua mātai nai nei. That kombucha at Puku Ora is the best in town.
It is so yum, and it's made right there as well. Speaking of made right there, they also provide healthy lunches in schools too.
And they're very popular. Yes. And in breaking news, Puku Ora also reopened their eatery because of the COVID, Tuesday just gone.
And if you want a quick coffee on your way to work, Puku Ora have a quick, convenient coffee shop just outside.
Make sure you order the Keto bullet coffee.
Yeah.
The best.
Yum.
Speaking of the best, my favourite at Puku Ora, even though I wasn't there, the bunless burger, chicken one, and their keto waffles.
Oh yeah, the banoffee waffles. Oh, yum. We can call in there after we talk to our good friend Rob Ruha Popo.
E hikaka na taku ngā kau. Yes, indeed. Popo, multi-award-winning songwriter and Aotearoa music royalty, Rob Ruha will be on the Parakuihi Online show, and his new album, Preservation of Scenery, drops tomorrow too.
Can't wait. Can't
Honestly,
wait for that.
I've heard it. It is amazing. But you're going to have to wait until tomorrow because we'll talk to Rob and also play one of the new songs off the album, Taira. That's all on the Parakuihi show, Apopo.
Oh, but for now, e te iwi whānui.
Mā te wā, hei
Apopo.
Apopo. I think we should practice our...
Off the point?
Oh, no. No, shame.
Parakuihi tahi kia Matai Rahia, 91.7 on air and online.